I know you might be thinking that if you want to improve your English, then which books should you start right in the beginning, right? Trust me, I was in the exact same place. Like, I wanted to read some books. Okay, forget it. I know you want to improve your English through books. I know you want to build a habit, but you genuinely don't know from which book should you start with as a beginner, right? So, hi there, my name is Priya and I'm from Bihar and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in this video, I'm going to share my personal experience and my honest suggestions. Yes, my honest suggestions. Because if you're a beginner and you want to improve your English through books, so yeah, there are some books that can help you to improve your English without feeling bored. And yeah, there are some books that can make your journey enjoyable and, of course, stress free. So let's jump into the video. So first of all, I would like to share one thing here. Okay, I used to teach a student. Okay, and she was in sixth grade at that time. And one day I just saw a book in her hand, and I casually asked her that, "Can I borrow this book?" So she said, "Okay, yes, ma'am, you can." So that book was this Sudha Murthy. This is a storybook, and this is very perfect for English learners. Why? Because Sudha's Murthy books are very simple and perfect for English learners because her stories are simple and easy to understand, and everything is easy. The vocabulary is simple also. See, this is the beginning of the story. You can just pause the video and you can read it. So after reading it for the very first time, I felt like, okay, now I finally found a book that can really help me to improve my English. Like this was a literally a game changer. And you can see, wait, you can see here are the stories. See? Here are some stories over here. And stories are very simple. Very simple, I'm telling you. And of course, after reading this book, you will not feel stuck and you will not feel bored. And yes, this is amazing. Now listen carefully. If you're a complete beginner, like very basic level, then your first book should not be Sudha Murthy. Should not be Sudha Murthy. Should not be this book. Why? Wait. Your first book should be Panchtantra. This book. Okay, Panchtantra. Why Panchtantra? Because Panchtantra is a very simple book for. Wait. I'm really sorry. One more, I guess. Sorry. You should say, God bless me. Okay, God bless you. Say, God bless you. Okay, your first book should be Panchtantra. Panchtantra is beginner friendly book, and there are very short stories, and short stories can make you can make you feel not bored. You know what I mean? Then go purchase it online, and you can either buy it offline, and it is available on Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, and even in old bookshops. Okay, so go buy one and start reading it. The stories are very simple. There is no difficult, there is not a single difficult vocabulary in Panchtantra. Panchtantra is very easy book. Okay, after reading Panchtantra books, you will know that, okay, how sentences are formed in English. Okay, once you finish Panchtantra, then move to Sudhamurti. Okay, listen this carefully. Okay, for intermediate learners, Sudhamurti is a game changer. For intermediate learners like me, okay, Sudhamurti is literally a game changer for intermediate learners. After building base with Panchtantra and Sudhamurti, you can jump into slightly higher level books. Okay, like those books that can help you in life, not just in English. Okay, books like Attitude is Everything, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a F, and Eat That Frog, and Atomic Habits, and so many more. These books are not too difficult, and this can also help you to improve your mindset and habits, and of course productivity. Right now I'm reading this book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a F. This is one of my favorites. Okay, wait. See, this is one of my favorites. I'm reading this book right now. Okay, so you can jump into these books, but after reading Panchtantra and Sudhamurti. So Panchtantra is for very beginner English learners, and Sudhamurti's books is for intermediate, and the last one, which is productivity books, is for intermediate and above. Okay, please don't jump directly to big novels and all. You will get frustrated and bored. So don't start with those books. Please start small. And yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. I'll see you in my next video. Okay, there was someone. I guess there was someone. So I looked there. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And of course, drop pyare comments in the comment section. Okay, bye bye. I'll see you in my next video.